was still alright, dancing in the kitchen through the night. No reason, no occasion, just the sound of laughter spinning circles on the ground. And I've been chasing things I'll never hold, but standing here, I'm richer